Yo, what's good? I'm going to do another trade recap for the day, and it is a winning trade. So this is the trade I took yesterday on the US 30. So let's get into it. So on the daily, we sweep this swing high, which would act as a buy sell liquidity on the early time frame. So we're completely bearish, and I can expect price to reach onto this daily candle low, previous daily low. Then scaling down onto the hourly. So what I saw in the hourly is we have equal lows. This would act as equal lows on the 15-minute, and we got this sell side. This would act as your sell side liquidity, and I mark out this busy, and I can expect price to dump, which happened to be right. So it dumped onto this lower half of this consequent encroachment of the busy or the fair value gap, which is would act as a discount array. Since if we dump, we close onto the upper half, onto the lower half, of this consequent encroachment, lower half of this busy. If we close at it, this now would act as a premium market, since discount market is when we're bullish, going price to 50%, and premium market would act as a bearish down move, going to a retracement up to the 50%, using this equilibrium or a fib if you want. So on the early, we have sales liquidity. Then I wait for market to open, which is 10:30, and then we had this order block that would act as your point of interest. Scaling down onto the 15-minute. There's nothing really to mark on the 15 minutes, since it also aligns with the 1 hour order block in here. So this would act also as well as your 15-minute order block. And this where I mark out this relatively, mostly, and actually equal lows right here. And then scaling down 5-minute. So when market opens, price suddenly dump up into the 1 hour order block, also the 15-minute order block. We got equal lows, and then the busy, and then the daily candle low right here, previous daily low. So we're the sweep on a swing high right here, scaling down to 1 minute, and this is where I took my trade. I take my entry. I took this trade once we close onto this inversion for value gap. We already got a manipulation along with the POI point of interest, 1 hour order block. Once it closed, I entered the trade, stop loss very near at this opening price of this bearish candle right here, and then we dump all the way to the relatively equal lows and get some kind of retracement, and then dump all the way into this sell side liquidity on the hourly. So what I like about this trade is that we have a very good reaction onto the Chinese state of delivery. Goes back on Chinese state of delivery, that's where you're gonna be another second opportunity to take this trade, and then we all dump down to the downside. So aside from that, from the news, we have yellow folder, but it's an FOMC, but it's a yellow folder, so it would be low impact news at 11 p.m. Then at 10:50 p.m. that's where the FOMC will happen. So yeah, now we are later on, we just dump all the way to the lower half of this early busy. So yeah, it's a win trade. I made about $2,800 plus on demo, of course, because I'm just learning about the markets, digesting information on when can I trade, how can I trade, and when to not trade on, or when to trade. So yeah guys, so this is a good trading model that I take, my model as well, and goes good. So I'm gonna trade again later, and look forward to you guys tomorrow for another trade recap, so you can learn more about the markets along with me. So yeah, that's it. Peace out.